Before adding anything extra to your engine oil, you need to be careful. Some additives that promise better performance can actually damage your engine. In this guide, we'll reveal 10 common oil additives that may harm your engine and shorten its life. Knowing them can save you costly repairs. Additives containing solid particles. Some oil additives advertise solid particles like graphite or moly as super lubricants. In car engines, these particles do not dissolve properly. They float and eventually clog narrow oil passages and filters, reducing oil flow. Bearings and cylinder walls may not get proper lubrication, causing scratches, friction, overheating, or even engine seizure. Many think these additives improve smoothness, but they slowly destroy the engine. Once particles enter, multiple oil changes cannot always remove the damage. Professionals warn drivers to avoid solid particle additives because they shorten engine life and reduce performance significantly. A better option is always sticking with oils already tested and approved by the car's manufacturer, since these have balanced formulas and protect the engine without introducing harmful solid debris. Thick oil additive. Oil thickeners claim to restore power in high-mileage engines, but make oil too thick for modern engines. Thick oil takes longer to reach valves, camshafts, and bearings. The oil pump works harder, raising heat and pressure, and lubrication becomes incomplete. Premature wear, overheating, and engine failure can result. Thicker oil does not mean more protection. It reduces efficiency and damages parts. High-mileage cars need clean, high-quality oil, not thick additives. Using manufacturer-recommended oil ensures proper flow, engine protection, and avoids unexpected repair costs. In fact, automakers design engines for a very specific oil grade, and ignoring that guidance often creates hidden stress that shows up only after expensive failures. Copper in oil. Copper-based additives claim advanced protection, but copper speeds oxidation and breaks down oil faster. Harmful sludge forms, blocking lubrication and increasing engine stress. Copper can stick to bearings, creating rough surfaces that grind parts together. Instead of reducing friction, it increases it, causing serious wear. Once copper damages bearings, repairs are costly or impossible. Using high-quality oil with balanced additives is safer. They promise miracles, but accelerate engine damage rather than prevent it. Car manufacturers never recommend copper additives because modern oils already contain the right anti-wear elements without creating dangerous deposits. Metal bonding additives. Additives, claiming to bond metal, create a protective layer, but usually contain harsh chemicals. These can corrode aluminum, rubber seals, and produce acids in the oil. Over time, leaks and engine problems appear, costing thousands to repair. Coatings meant to strengthen the engine often destroy seals and reduce protection. High-quality oil already protects engines without harmful chemicals. Using industrial-strength metal bonding additives is unnecessary and dangerous. Drivers seeking extra protection risk corrosion, leaks, and expensive repairs. Safe oil and regular maintenance are better solutions than chemicals that promise protection but damage engines in the long run. Even experienced mechanics warn against these miracle coatings, as they often cause irreversible chemical reactions inside engines. Zinc boosters. Zinc, ZDDP, is included in motor oil in proper amounts to prevent wear. Adding more zinc often backfires. The excess zinc creates deposits that block oil flow and reduce protective qualities. It may also interfere with other additives, instead of improving engine life. Quality oil already contains the right zinc amount. Extra boosters do not help, increase wear, and waste money. Proper oil selection protects your engine far better than additional zinc additives. In fact, car makers spend years balancing additive levels, so tampering with that formula disrupts the chemistry that keeps engines safe. Strong engine flush. Chemicals. Engine flushes claim to clean sludge and improve performance, but most use strong solvents. These dissolve seals and gaskets quickly, causing leaks. Deposits may act as a natural seal, and removing them can lead to compression loss or leaks. Cars running fine can suddenly fail after a flush. Regular oil changes with good quality oil are safer than harsh chemical flushes. Flushes may worsen issues, increasing repair costs and sometimes causing permanent damage. Avoid aggressive flushes, as the risk of harming seals, gaskets, and overall engine integrity is too high. Preventive maintenance is the safer alternative. Sludge is truly a concern. Gradual cleaning through shorter oil change intervals is far safer than a single aggressive flush. Silicone additives. Silicone-based leak stop products temporarily swell seals, but contaminate oil and damage oxygen sensors and catalytic converters. Sticky deposits block oil passages and reduce lubrication. Silicone is nearly impossible to remove completely, even with multiple oil changes. Using these additives can cause permanent damage, long-term performance loss, and expensive repairs. Small attempts to fix leaks cheaply may create bigger problems. Professionals strongly advise against silicone additives. Repairing or replacing faulty parts is safer and more effective than relying on chemical tricks that harm your engine over time. What seems like a quick fix often ends up costing far more in repairs, making silicone solutions one of the worst shortcuts. Diesel products in gas engines. Pouring diesel additives into gasoline engines is dangerous. Diesel and gasoline engines have different designs, working principles, and fuel chemistry. Diesel additives harm injectors, disturb combustion, and damage internal components in gas engines. This can cause poor performance, knocking, misfires, and costly long-term damage. What works in a diesel engine is unsafe for gasoline engines. Using diesel products in the wrong engine type does not improve anything. It only reduces engine life. Always use additives specifically designed for your engine type and avoid mixing incompatible products. Following the owner's manual prevents confusion, since using even a small amount of the wrong additive can create expensive engine problems. Oil pressure boosting additives. Low oil pressure usually signals engine wear, leaks, or damage. Some additives claim to fix it by thickening oil or swelling seals. This only shows higher gauge pressure without protecting moving parts. Thickened oil struggles to reach critical areas, increasing wear and risk of engine failure. Additives hide problems instead of solving them. Drivers should address the real cause of low pressure, like worn bearings or pumps. Using fake fixes can worsen damage and cost more. Professional mechanics always recommend repairing the underlying issue rather than relying on additives that mask symptoms. Ignoring real problems while depending on additives only delays the inevitable, often leading to catastrophic breakdowns. Using transmission fluid in engine oil, adding ATF to engine oil, is outdated advice and harmful for modern cars. ATF is for transmissions, not engines. It contains chemicals that disturb oil pressure, damage seals, and reduce bearing protection. Instead of cleaning, it increases wear and failure risk. Many engines using ATF experienced leaks and serious damage. The safest way to maintain an engine is proper oil changes with the correct oil type. ATF should never go in the engine. Using it incorrectly can destroy engine components and lead to costly repairs. Proper oil maintenance is the only safe approach. Modern oils are engineered for cleaning and lubrication already, making ATF completely unnecessary and dangerous. Your engine doesn't need miracle additives, just the right oil and proper care. Avoid these harmful products, follow maintenance schedules, and use quality oil to keep your engine running smoothly. Protect your car, save money, and ensure it lasts longer by sticking to what really works.